Sowore was invited this morning, and then we came here this morning. Unfortunately, we were met with an unprecedented level of hostility and abuse of rights, and even from the get-go, from the time of arrival at this facility, Mr. Sowore has been treated with the highest form of hostility, notwithstanding that he honored the invitation that was extended to him. We have seen a high level of abuse and repression of dissenting voices in this case. This was not an invitation to investigation or interrogation of any sort. It is an investigation, an invitation to the chambers of oppression, because we're not asked any tangible question. First of all, we demanded for the copies of the petitions or the complaints against Mr. Sowore. They refused to afford us any copy. After many hours, they brought some copies, and even when we asked questions as to the authors of these petitions, they could not give us any clear answer, because the petitions emanated from the office of the IGP. So in this case, the IGP is the complainant, the IGP is the investigator. So it is likened to being a judge in their own case. Okay. And while we were here, still waiting for substantial questions to be extended to Mr. Sowore, for him to proffer answers, whoever is purportedly investigating this matter, if it is an investigation, surreptitiously went out and claimed to have obtained an order to remand Mr. Sowore. We have asked to see a copy of the said order.
Black market order.
But he has refused. With this Fakorede, he has refused to show us a copy of the order.
His old car.
And now he has asked that I be brought to his office, different from this office, before he can show me a copy of the order. And we asked him that as parties and as persons representing Mr. Sowore, as lawyers representing Mr. Sowore is entitled to a copy of the said order directing that he be remanded. We as his counsel were entitled to a copy of the order, but he has said he is not going to give us the order. So he's saying he's going to show us the copy of the order for the purpose of citing, which is the only option we have, and we want to even see if indeed there is an order and where the order is emanating from. So that is where we are going. But for now, they have concluded that they are remanding Mr. Sowore.
Where are they remanding him? Any facility?
No information as to that, but we are sure that they intend to remand him.
Every single legality calling him here. There is nothing. In fact, everything they are doing here is just something. What will I even call it? It's very unlawful. He's not even supposed to be in this building in the first place. I mean, the only crime Mr. Sowore has committed, according to them, is speaking up for the police, for the welfare of the police. The only crime he has committed, because by what they are telling us, the documents that was given to him that warranted his appearance in this place is not even justifiable. You said somebody did a forgery. Bring the document that he forged. You cannot provide the document. So what kind of invitation is that, or investigation is that? You said somebody did this. They said, okay, bring who and who is calling for his arrest. You are not able to mention the names of the person that are even calling, because you know that there are some people that are already having criminal intentions to deliberately keep Nigeria where it is. And because Mr. Sowore is bold enough to speak against that criminality, it is now a crime. So you see where we are in Nigeria. But these same police officers that Mr. Sowore is speaking for, go to their houses and see the level of poverty. Go to their houses and see that most of them cannot even train their children in school. None of them is attending a good school. No ordinary police officer can boast of putting their children in a better school. Yet these guys are the ones protecting these criminal elites. They are the ones protecting their wives. They are the ones protecting their girlfriends. In fact, as a matter of fact, they are the ones carrying umbrellas and bags for the criminal elite. Now you want Mr. Sowore to keep quiet and not to speak for them. When he speaks, he becomes a crime. It becomes a crime. It becomes a criminal to you. You now bundle him and keep in your building in every attempt to silence him. We are saying enough. No. We are saying enough. Yes. And if this persists or continue, we are going to mobilize Nigerians and we will storm every of their offices. We will storm every of their houses. We will make sure that as long as they don't want this country to grow, as long as they don't want Nigerians to live at peace, as long as they want to continue eating the welfare and the benefits of the serving officers, we are going to say no, and we will make them also to feel the heat. This is Nigeria, and nobody is scared of anybody. Nobody is scared of anybody. Even Mr. President, we are not scared of him. We are not scared of the president. It is because of us that he is there. Today he is called the president because we are Nigerians. If there are no Nigerians, there will be no president. Yes. Without Nigerians, there will be no Senator Fabio. Yes. Without Nigerians, there will be no Mgbeke, yes, who is even deliberately staying in office and refusing to retire. His tenure has expired. What is he doing there? If it is good to retire other officers, why is it not good to retire Mgbeke? We are saying enough. We are saying that this injustice has to end. It must not be sustained. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Please come in. Come in. When you go out, help us bring out Omoyele Sowore. This IGP. Please help us understand this IGP. 36 years and counting as an IGP. I mean, this is against our constitution. We are all under the constitution. Go, you don't want to go. Okay, we've left you there, Jejeli. Leave Sowore. This is Omoyele Sowore whose passport was seized. Now you've even seized the person himself. But you know what? You've gone too far this time. Because this time you're going to pick all of us. Free Sowore.
No.
Free Sowore. When do you want to free?
No.
Free Sowore. When?
No.
Free Sowore.
No.
Sowore. Free.
No.
No. Free Sowore. IGP. What's the name of the other guy? What's the name of the guy who wrote the letter? Fakorede. Free Sowore.
No.
Fakorede. Free Sowore.
No.
Free him when?
No.
Free Sowore. Sowore. Bring him out. IGP. Your tenure has expired. Allow all these ones to be the IGP now. Nigerians, please, can you imagine a situation whereby a serving police officer's salary cannot buy him a bag of rice to feed his family? How is he going to look after you and me security? So that is what Omoyele Sowore came here on the 21st of August and said, please, look after these policemen's welfare so that our security will be improved. Oh, IGP won't let him rest. Free Sowore! Free Sowore! No! Bring him out. God bless you, sir. Chief, well done. Free Sowore! IGP, come and go. Let these people be the IGP now. IGP, make that sense. Let these people be the IGP. This is against the constitution. IGP, go now. Go, IGP, go.
Free Sowore! No.
Unbelievable action that police is deliberately delivered to our activists across the Nigeria. What the position that police is taking is unlawful. We Nigerians, we are standing for their rights. For more than 3 decades, our mentor, Sowore Omoyele, is standing for police welfare. A recently testimony that happens last protest is the police welfare have been improved. Police lack unions that they can stand for their rights. And activists deliver voluntarily to stand for their rights. And they are not appreciating what people is doing for them. Mr. President retained Mgbeke for his pause in their effort to do political maneuver ahead of 2027 general election. We are not supporting that. If the police retirement is sweet, why not Inspector General of Police will not retire? So all these actions that police is doing, enough is enough. If they didn't care, continue doing what they are doing. We are not in celebrity. The time of modernized celebrity have gone. We have gone school. We are knowledgeable enough. We know our rights. Nobody will come and start doing maneuver in his actions while we will not speak out. Thank you.